Hi, it's Mark. I'm here with Bernie Pawlik, Pawlik Automotive in Vancouver, BC, Canada. Vancouver's best auto service experience. How you doing this morning, Bernie?
Doing very well.
So today's guest is a 2023 Range Rover. What was going on with this guest?
Yeah, so this vehicle had a brake pad warning light on the dash. So we did a brake inspection. There were no noises accompanying it, and the brakes performed well, but there was a brake pad warning light. So did a brake inspection, found the front brakes were in very good shape, but the rears were worn out. Not metal on metal yet, fortunately, but there was less than a millimeter of rear brake pad left.
So 2023, what kilometerage did this vehicle have?
It's like just over 20,000 K, almost very minimal usage.
So that's unusual for brakes to wear out in 20,000 kilometers. Is that right?
Pretty much, but a lot of these European SUVs tend to go through brakes at quite a fast rate. I find this one a little quick, but nonetheless, that's what we have. So there's the vehicle. Nice
And
looking seven-seater, nice full-size Range Rover. This is a view of our rear brakes.
so repair, this is after repair.
Yeah.
So
New.
this is brake material. We can see here there's literally almost nothing
There's,
left.
there's almost nothing. Yeah. Had the owner driven another week, there probably would have been like metal on metal. And normally when we do brakes, we always change the rotors and pads. So the rotors are worn. In this case, the rotors had such a minimal amount of wear on them. And the mileage was so low, we figured, you know what? Let's just put pads in because they're probably only going to last, again, another 20,000. By the time it hits 40, the front brakes are probably going to be, nearly worn out. Who knows how the front brakes will be, but the rears will definitely need to be done again. And at that point, we can evaluate it. But the rotors were in practically new condition. So no rust, no grooves. So we basically just put a set of pads in, service the rear brakes and put a set of pads in.
So this is, like you said, all shiny like a record here, this disc. Are these pretty large? I understand they're pretty
They're
robust on
huge. This must be like 14 inches in diameter or something. It's very large. And, I keep scratching my head going, why do these wear out so fast? Obviously, the pad material must be very soft because it's not even grooving the rotor. So, there's a reason they use soft pads. They grip better, less noise issues. But, to wear out this fast is kind of crazy. There's another view in there. Yeah, you're moving your pointer in exactly the right spot. Basically,
hardly any space there
yeah,
of
yeah.
pad material. That's a backing plate that's metal.
Yeah, exactly. And I don't have pictures of it, but there's a brake pad wear sensor. It actually fits that little slot. If you look in the middle of the right-hand brake part of the
Yeah,
brake
right
pad, right
there.
in there, there's a sensor on the right side. This is the left side brake. There's a sensor on that brake pad. And so when it hits a certain point, it puts the warning on the dash. So you can just see the thickness. It's amazing. But anyways, the interesting thing about this vehicle is that the brake system, when you stop and you let your foot off the gas, it doesn't roll until you tap the gas pedal and you can feel the brakes unlock. So that might contribute to the brakes wearing a little faster than usual.
Sort of
Just
like a
kind of
hill
holds the
lock or
drivetrain.
something,
Yeah.
always on.
Yeah. And it probably works with the ABS system and it's a nice little added safety feature. So normally with an automatic, you never roll backwards, but you could. And so I think it just helps that way, but possibly cause the brakes to wear a little quicker.
There you go. If you're looking for service for your Range Rover, the experts to see are at Pawlik Automotive. You can reach them online at pawlikautomotive.com. You can book your appointment right there. You can call them at 604-327-7112 to book your appointment as well. You have to book ahead. They're always busy. Pawlik Automotive in Vancouver, BC, Canada. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thanks, Bernie.
Thank you, Mark. Thanks for watching.